transformation. Okay, the freedom. Hi, my friends. Welcome back to my video. This is Froilan Torrecampo, the founder of the Alignment Acquisition. Now, today, my friend, I'll be sharing something to you, and I do hope that this video would also resonated to you with your business. So, my friends, have you ever felt like you're a great coach, but you're struggling to get clients? You know, you can change lives. You've spent years learning your craft. You've earned certifications. You've read books. Definitely, you also invested in courses. Yet, every month, this keeps circling into your mind. Where is my next client coming from? My friends, if that's you, I want you to know something. You are not failing because you think you are the worst coach. You're struggling because no one ever taught how to build a coaching business. And those are two completely different skills. Being a great coach doesn't automatically make you a great marketer. It doesn't automatically make you great at sales. And definitely, my friends, it does not guarantee that clients will magically find you. Here's what I see happening with so many coaches. They wake up every morning wondering what to post. They spend hours creating content. Definitely, they give away valuable advice for free. They celebrate getting likes, comments, and followers. But at the end of the month, their calendar is still empty. No discovery calls, no paying clients, no consistent income. The problem isn't that people don't like your content. The problem is that your content isn't leading people into a clear client choice. Most coaches are missing a client acquisition system. They rely on hope. They hope someone sees their post. They hope someone sends them a message. Definitely, they also hope someone will ask about their coaching. Hope is not a business strategy. A business definitely needs a predictable process. So, my friends, how do you go from zero to consistent clients? My friends, it definitely boils down with clarity. Clarity first. Get crystal clear on who you help. Not everyone, not anyone who needs coaching. One specific person with one specific problem. Because, my friend, the clearer your message, the easier it is for the right people to recognize themselves in your content. Second, create an offer that solves a real problem. People don't buy coaching sessions. They buy outcomes. They buy confidence. They buy better relationships. Definitely. They buy more revenue. And they buy transformation. Transformation. Okay? The freedom. Stop selling hours, my friends. Start selling results. Third, become known for solving one problem exceptionally well. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right audience. A small audience that trusts you will always outperform a large audience that barely knows who you are. Fourth, start conversations. This is where many coaches get stuck. They keep posting but never invite people to take the next step. Every piece of content should answer the question, what should someone do after seeing this? Should they comment, send you a message, download a guide, join a challenge, maybe book a discovery call? My friends, never ever leave people wondering what comes next. And finally, build a value ladder. Do not expect strangers to buy your highest ticket coaching immediately. Give them a simple first step. Maybe it could be your free guide. What are the examples of free guide? You could create an ebook. You can create a simple portfolio on what exactly that they could expect from you while you're sending your free guide. It could be a 5-day challenge or a workshop, a group coaching program. Then help them move naturally into your premium coaching. My friends, this creates trust, and definitely it will create momentum, and it creates consistency. Now, here is the biggest mindset shift I want you to remember, my friends. Your goal isn't to convince people to buy. Your goal is to make it easy for the right people to say yes. When your message is clear, your offer is valuable, your content builds trust, and your business has a system, you stop chasing clients. Instead, you start attracting them consistent. That's the difference between a coach who's always wondering where the next client will come from and a coach who wakes up knowing exactly how new clients enter their business every single week. Now, my friends, if you're serious about building a coaching business that generates consistent clients instead of unpredictable income, follow me over the next few videos. I'll show you the exact framework I use to help coaches go from zero clients to a business that definitely will give them a consistent attraction that will convert and definitely grow. So remember this, my friends, your coaching changes lives. It's time to build a business that allows more people to experience that transformation. Thank you so much for watching on this video, my friends. I do hope this video resonated with you. And if you think this is valuable for you and to your business, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you so much and bye for now.